Zanda.
Hi.
Hey, look at that. Passenger sides together.
Just waiting on banjo bolts right now.
Yeah, banjo bolts for the brakes. Everything's here. And I'll get this kind of dialed in. We got to remember to cut these tomorrow, too.
What?
The bolts.
The bolts, yeah.
But
I'll probably do it today.
Okay. Oh, you might do it tonight. Looks good.
Need new clips for these because they got all messed up taking them out because they were seized on there.
Yeah,
Which usually happens with those, and they're probably a dime a dozen. So
yeah, everybody carries them. So we'll get some clips tomorrow morning.
I mean, it's basically been the same clip since like the dawn of time, right?
Yeah, every car uses the same clip. So we got that. It's looking good. Pretty close. It's coming along.
All right, tomorrow I'll get on the rear.
Yeah, we got to finish cleaning up the diff. We got to double check if we have a diff gasket or not. And I'll order one tonight. If we don't, I'll look on the invoice. And then I'll order it tonight so we have it in the morning. Did you just shit your pants?
No.
Are you pleading the fifth on that?
No, I didn't shit my pants.
It smells like shit over here.
This looking catchy. I want to pull this.
Yeah, we need to pull that and clean it. Actually, you know what? I wonder how cheap those are. I might just buy a new one if it's like $20.
Yeah.
I might just buy a new one. Oh. So, all right, we got that going, but that's looking good. Let me get a picture of this.
For whatever reason, this went on way easier than the other one.
You went on way easier than the other one. You are easy though, right?
I think your truck's on fire up there. You should go check on it.
Probably. Thank you, sir.